Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making Bukkake Udon. Have you ever tried Japanese Udon noodles? It's thick wheat noodles served with Dashi or Mentsuyu. Bukkake Udon is often called Japanese fast food, topped with tempura of your choice, and you can make your own udon bowl. Let's get started. First, we are going to make Onsen Tamago, literally translated into hot spring egg. It's a half-cooked egg which is indispensable for Bukkake Udon. Take out your frozen udon noodles from the package. You can prepare the delicious udon in the microwave according to your package instruction. Let's prepare the aromatics. Grate ginger. Slice your scallion thinly. Let's make tempura for topping. Cut in half your Chikuwa fish cake. Chikuwa tempura is the #1 classic topping for udon noodles. Dust your Chikuwa and Shiso leaves with flour. Mix well tempura flour and water in a bowl. The consistency is like a little bit thicker than crepe butter. Heat the oil up to 180 degrees Celsius. When you drop a butter, it sinks to the bottom at first. The butter floated to the surface in 2 to 3 seconds is what you want. Cover prepared Shiso leaves with tempura butter and deep fry until the outside is crispy to touch. Do the same to Chikuwa fish cakes. Usually, thick tempura butter is not appreciated, but this is an exception. The thicker butter absorbs Dashi or Mentsuyu and it tastes so good, and vice versa. The oil from tempura gives Dashi or Mentsuyu a good richness and makes udon taste even better. Add the same amount of water to my homemade Mentsuyu. Of course, you can use store-bought and follow the instruction of the package. Let's take a look at Onsen Tamago. Add some ice cubes to stop cooking. The ingredients are all set. Let's assemble. There are 4 types of style according to the serving temperature. I like Atsu-Hiya for Bukkake Udon noodles, so I transferred hot udon noodles onto a shallow bowl. Top with Chikuwa tempura and Shiso leaves tempura. Make a well in the center. Crack your onsen tamago into it. My onsen tamago is perfect. Add in aromatics as much as you want. Pour your mentsuyu over udon noodles. Sprinkle toasted sesame seed for the final touch. Bukkake udon is done. Break onsen tamago and mix the runny yolk with udon noodles. It tastes so good. Umami from my homemade mentsuyu and tempura butter makes udon extra delicious. Chikuwa tempura absorbs mentsuyu. This is the best part of Bukkake Udon. So satisfying. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Check out the information and links in the description box below. And follow me on my social media and tag me on your photo, #PrincessBamboo. Go to my Amazon store to see what I'm using in my video. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!